welcome everybody. This is an attempt to develop some expertise through a series of modules. We could call it training, we could call it expertise development, whatever term we want to use. There's a set of goals here that we'd like to try to accomplish. So we're going to build a set of modules that are aimed at building expertise in digital signage. We'll explain a little bit about what we mean and some of the terminology. We'll go through a series of short tutorials aimed at building a wider base of internal expertise. We'll explore solution components. We'll cover some of the basic business concepts that everyone should be familiar with. We'll cover high-level technical concepts, and we'll dive deeper where appropriate or where we need to. Some of the topics, it might be helpful to dive a little bit deeper and get a little more technical, things like player configuration, things like that, where we really need to sort of understand the nuts and bolts of how it works, and that'll be helpful for a number of stakeholder teams. Player config, spanning multiple monitors, things like that. So look forward to this program, and as I said, we'll be developing a series of modules that'll be released and consumed in short videos. We'll go through a module called What is Digital Signage? We'll cover what is a content management system or a CMS. We'll cover what it is we sell, what components make up a system. We'll talk about media players. We'll talk about media player settings. Like I said, we'll dive a little bit more technical into those aspects of media players. We'll talk about the QR code that we developed as a resource for everybody to use. We'll talk indoor versus outdoor mounts, enclosures, different mounting scenarios, what single LCD systems look like, what a DWP is, and a Daktronics web player system looks like. We'll talk about 2x1 LCD solutions, 3x1, 2x2 LCD video walls, 3x3 video walls. We'll talk a little bit about content, and like I said, we'll dive a little bit deeper into things like topics like spanning and some of the more application-specific configuration settings that are involved in that. And then we'll offer some resources for additional help, and that'll wrap up the program. Obviously, there's also additional resources in training and through internal training programs, and both Faith and Danielle and Connie's groups are producing videos that cover the features and different things that are available through Venus and some of the software and features that are available there. So we look forward to this journey, everybody going through and sort of learning. Feel free to reach out to the training group or product management with questions or suggestions for additional modules or questions that we can hopefully answer. Thank you.